In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on Wise. If you need to update the address on your Wise account, the process is straightforward and only takes a moment once you know where to look. Keeping your address up to date is important, especially if Wise uses that information for account verification, statements, or important account-related communication. To begin, go to the Wise homepage and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the profile icon. This is usually located in the upper area of the page and gives you access to your account settings and personal details. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select Personal Details. This section is where Wise stores the basic information connected to your account. If you have both personal and business features in your account, be sure you're working in the correct profile before making changes. After that, click on Personal Information. This will open the page where you can review and edit details such as your address. Take a moment here to make sure you're updating the right field, especially if there are multiple sections shown on the page. Now, enter your new address in the address field provided. Make sure everything is typed carefully and accurately, including your street address, apartment or unit numbers if needed, city, postal code, and any other required information. It's a good idea to double check spelling and formatting before you continue, since even small errors can sometimes cause problems with verification or future correspondence. Once your new address has been entered and reviewed, click Save. This confirms the change and updates the information on your Wise account. After saving, it's worth taking a quick look at the page again to make sure the new address appears correctly and that the update has gone through. If Wise requests additional verification after the change, just follow the on-screen instructions. In some cases, financial platforms may ask for proof of address to keep account information secure and compliant. And that's it. That's how to change your address on Wise. As a final tip, whenever you update personal details on any financial account, make sure you're on the official website and using a secure connection before entering information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.